大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with the 英英。This is our first lesson of learning a Chinese poem. 愿得一心人，白首不相离。Even though it was written 2,000 years ago, it's super commonly used in our daily life to express our wish to have a lasting love, to have someone we could grow old with. It may seem so daunting at first sight, and you may be wondering, how is that possible for me to understand it or remember it, especially when I am a beginner? Actually, it's not that hard if you follow this lesson, which explains the meaning and the background of this poem and shares some tricks to remember these Chinese characters. You will be surprised and impressed by your own progress in just about 10 minutes. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we unravel this poem, I want to give you a little bit background. This poem is written in Han Dynasty about 2,000 years ago by a female poet. It expresses her determination to leave her beloved one because of his betrayal. But at the same time, it also expresses her sincere wish for true love, to have someone who can grow old with. Even though it is written 2,000 years ago, it resonates with us so strongly even today. So it is so commonly used in our daily life to express our wish for true love, to have someone who we can hold hand with and grow old together. Well, now let's have a close look at this poem, and I will read for you these two lines. 愿得一心人，白首不相离。It means, if I had wed one with a single heart, even white-haired, we would not apart. Well, here, 愿 means wish, 得 means get, 一 means one, 心 means heart, 人 means people, person. So here it means wish to get someone with a single heart. 白 means white. 手 means head. Here it refers to here. 不 means no. 相离 actually is a phrase, means leave. So it means even white-haired, we would not apart. We would not leave each other. So this is the meaning of this poem. You can read after me. 愿得一心人，白首不相离。So I'll read for you in normal speed. 愿得一心人，白首不相离。So if you want to learn how to write these characters, I will explain them in my next lessons. Thank you for being here when you can be anywhere in the world. You should really feel proud of yourself for your commitment in learning and growing. The simple fact you click this video and stick to the end is a true manifest of your growing mindset. I really hope this video was helpful to you. I'd love to know your feedback. Please drop them in the comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. By the way, I'll upload video resources weekly. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。